What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you could change out your microwave cord on your microwave. Say, for example, you got you a microwave and you're trying to plug it up, but the cord that you have on it is too short. It's pretty simple. Most microwave will change those cords out. You just want to make sure that you have a cord that's going to work properly with the microwave, that is rated the same way. Also, whenever you're messing with microwaves or anything like this, you want to be very careful, because there is components inside of a microwave that can be dangerous. Like, for example, you have your transformer down here. You have your I think it's called a magnetron that's inside of it, as well as you have like a capacitor that's over here. You don't want to touch none of this stuff like that, because even though your microwave is unplugged, your capacitor pretty much still has power going to it. It's like a big battery pretty much that keeps its own charge on it. But so just make sure you practice safety and make sure your microwave is unplugged at all times whenever you're working on it. So to change it out though, you just want to take off the top of your microwave. A lot of times it's like there'll be a couple screws in the back of it, some security screws or something like that, that you may want to have you like a bit set. This bit set I have right here has like the type of fittings that you're going to need to take off your security screws. That a lot of times it's on the back of it. Once you do that, pretty much you want to follow your wire where it comes in at. As you can see right here, it just kind of pops loose. And you look right here on your power board, right over here, all you want to do is just unplug that cord off just like that. You unplugged it off. And then also you'll have a wire connected right here that you're just going to be taking your screwdriver just like that and removing that screw just like that. Once you do that, you can just take your screw out of here so it won't fall, but yeah, you can just pull this whole cord out just like that, and now you'll be able to install this cord basically into your other microwave. Sometimes people may need to do this, like I said, because your microwave cord that came with your new one may be too short. So you want to basically just unplug the old, or take the old one out, or if you just buy a separate cord, it's going to make sure you measure it out to make sure it's going to reach where you want it to reach at. So this is how you would basically change out your cord in your microwave. When you come back to your other microwave, your new one, you will make sure you have the exact same type of cord. It has like the 3 prongs on it. So make sure it's the right cord for your microwave. And then you just want to come in and you would do the complete opposite on the other one, which is just plug it back in, plug your ground wire, screw your ground wire back into it. It should be kind of like the same setup, and you should be good. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would be changing out a cord on a microwave, just in case for some reason the one on your microwave is too short or it could be too long. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.